Greetings to you, dear clients and subscribers. This is Ison Company. In this video, we will review the hybrid video recorder model Ison DVR084K. This is a video recorder that supports cameras up to 8 megapixels in HD standard. You may have noticed that we already had a review of the Ison DVR08P recorder on the channel. This is essentially the same video recorder, but it supports a maximum of 5 megapixels for cameras. Here the recorder supports up to 8 megapixels. Accordingly, it is more powerful and at the same time more expensive. So let's start by looking at it externally. Now, let's take a careful and thorough look at the box, which traditionally, as usual, contains its important and essential power supply that powers the video recorder. Here is the manual. Here is the power supply plug. Here is the remote control. In the next versions, the remote will no longer be included. Now, almost all video recorders are removing it because everything is controlled through your smartphone or computer. Here is the mouse. And here we have 2 sets of screws for mounting 2 additional hard drives. The recorder supports 2 hard drives of up to 10 terabytes each. On the back side, we see connectors for connecting BNC cameras. Here we also see 4 connectors for connecting, respectively, 4 microphones. Here is the connector for connecting speakers. Here is the VGA connector for connecting to old monitors. I do not recommend using this connector because you will be viewing videos at a maximum quality of 740 by 640 pixels. Through HDMI, you can view images in 2K and 4K. Here is the connector for connecting your video recorder to the internet via a standard patch cord with an RJ45 connector. 2 USB ports to connect a mouse or flash drive to transfer information. An RS485 connector for connecting PTZ cameras, and a power connector. On the front panel, we see the standard control buttons for the basic menu. It is not necessary to use them. I repeat, you can also control it from a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and by connecting the recorder to a monitor. You can use a mouse. Here are the standard indicator lights for power, recording status, and alarm. The recorder is universal. It supports HD cameras not only at 8 megapixels but also at 5, 4, 3, and 2 megapixels. The recorder also supports surveillance cameras with zoom. You can connect up to 4 microphones separately. If you have any questions about this model, ask our managers. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.